Hello friends, welcome. Today I'm gonna show you new food coloring from Wilton. I recently visited Wilton Sweet Studio and we were learning how to decorate cupcakes making hydrangea flowers. But I decided to use new food coloring that they have and decorate macarons. The colors are so beautiful, natural. It's so perfect for spring or Mother's Day. I'm sure you're gonna love it. As a gift from Wilton, we received this cupcake decorating set. It has some piping tips and the food coloring. And I'm gonna be using one of the tips from this set. It's Wilton 2D. And I'm also gonna need Wilton 352 piping tip. These are two tips we're using and the food coloring, and I'm just gonna show you which shades we're gonna be using. We need blue and green. I made American buttercream. The recipe I'm linking below this video. It's a very simple recipe, and I'm dividing this buttercream into 3 parts. I'm using 2 mixing bowls and I'm leaving one part of the buttercream in that large mixing bowl from the mixer. Now I'm using green food coloring, and right now I'm just using 1 drop and I want to see the shades. Don't forget, this is very pastel food colors. It's nothing gonna be bright and it's gonna give us this natural look. And I decided that I need 2 more drops. And I'm mixing well this buttercream. Just look at this color, very natural pastel. I love it. Now let's see the blue one. I'm using 1 drop first, mixing, and I'm checking the shades. If you want more brighter, just give a few more drops. Make sure you mix well buttercream with the spatula. This is what we have. Now I'm using piping bag and I'm placing 352 piping tip and I'm transferring green buttercream. These are going to be used for leaves. For the second color, I'm using plastic wrap and I'm placing on a table and I'm transferring this blue buttercream. Then I'm adding white buttercream right in the middle. After that, using plastic wrap, we roll buttercream into little log. And using scissors, we're cutting plastic wrap from one side. Placing 2D piping tip into pastry bag and placing this log. You can try the color. And it's ready to decorate macarons. I have macarons in airtight container. They were maturing overnight in the fridge and now it's ready. First I'm using blue buttercream and I'm piping on one side of macaron. Then I'm using green buttercream and adding some leaves. Not too many, just a few. And that's it. Here is your hydrangea flower. on a macaron. And if you don't want to decorate macarons, you can decorate cupcakes or cakes. It's a very simple technique, and I think everyone can make this, even kids. The colors are really beautiful. It's just perfect for Mother's Day or any other occasion. Very simple technique. And after that, you can place decorated macarons in airtight container and keep in a fridge. Just look at this. So beautiful. If you like this video, please subscribe and follow for more. And happy baking!